Okay, hello again, everyone. Today is your test. So, I want you to copy everything that I write, put name, date, and period. Make sure that on every paper you submit, you have this. Without this, I can't record it, okay? Very important. So put test, number 1, surface area and volume. Now, if you've been paying attention, then you should do fine. Remember, I don't care if someone helps you. Just make sure you understand the concept, okay? All right, let me zoom in just a little bit. And here we go. Also, make an answer column, okay? No answer column, no grade, no work, no credit. Write that down. No work equals no credit. Okay, now you know what that means, right? All right, let's go on. Number 1, I want you to draw a cube. So draw a square. Put another square on top. Connect it. Okay. So all the sides are the same. So I'm going to say the side is equal to 3 inches. All of them. Number 1, I want surface area and volume. Okay, that's number 1 and 2. All right. Number 3, draw a rectangle. Put another rectangle. Try to make it about the same size. Connect the points. Do you know what the points are called? It starts with a V. Vertices. Okay. Now, if at any time I leave a number off, use 10 as a default. Anyway, so make this 4 inches, make this one 8 inches, and make this one 2 inches. What do you think I'm going to ask for? I want surface area and volume. Okay, now what do you suppose the next figure is? Draw a triangle, draw another triangle, connect the vertices. This is a prism, remember? The bases are the same. Okay, so we're going to say the height of the triangle is equal to 5 inches. Now we're going to make these rectangles, or these triangles, the rectangles, the sides of the triangles different. So make this a 3, a 4, and a 5. And we have the height. So I want surface area and volume. Remember, area is square inches and volume is cubic inches. Make sure you know that. All right, and round your answer to one place in back of the decimal. One place in back of the decimal. All right, let me see if there's anything else. We need something else here. We need to make this 10. Remember, I said use it as a default if I didn't give you enough information, but I think I did on that one. Okay, so we have 2, 4, 6. Now let's go to the pyramid. Actually, we have a cylinder. So number 4, draw a cylinder, 2 circles, connect it. Let's make the radius 7 and the height 10. And I want surface area and volume. Okay? Might help to draw the net. So 2, 4, 6, 8. And now comes the last one. The last one, number 5, I want you to draw a square. I want you to put a dot. Okay, so we know it's a square, so I want to make the sides 5 inches. Each one of these is 5 inches because it's a square pyramid. Let's make the height of the pyramid 8 inches. Okay. Now you got to find the slant height right here. You got to find the height of the triangles. Now to do that, you're going to pull that triangle out. It's going to look like this. I'll give you the hint. Okay. You got to take half of the 5, so you got to make that 2.5 and make this 8. So you're looking for this, which is called the slant height of all of these triangles. Okay. So if you unfold it, it looks like this. Okay. So the slant height is the height of the triangle, not the height of the pyramid. So you do have to do Pythagorean's theorem to get the slant height, and that's going to give you the height of all the triangles. Okay? Alright, so I don't know if you understood that, but it is a little tricky. So number 9 and 10, I want surface area and volume. Remember, if it comes to a point like this one, you have to divide by 3. Alright, I don't know if you understood that clearly. It is a little tricky, but there it is, and that's your test. You have 10 questions. Okay, I'm going to say it again. If you draw this triangle and pull that triangle out and find the hypotenuse, that will be the height of each of these triangles. Now don't confuse the height of the triangles with the height of the pyramid. For volume, you're going to do the big B, which is the bottom, a square, times the height of the pyramid divided by 3. But for surface area, you're going to do the square plus the 4 triangles. And one triangle is 1/2 base times height. Okay, and that height is what you're going to find right here, which is L. It's a little tricky, but hang in there and do your best. All right, that's it. Try to do your best. Remember, the concept here is learning. Also, one last thing. When I start teaching factoring, pay close attention because it will help you in Algebra 2. Okay, no shortcuts. Do everything I ask you to do. All right, stay safe. I'm still looking for some good emails that you've done for your mom or perhaps your dad. Okay, something really good where they say, you know, I really appreciate that. All right, that's what we're looking for. All right, so I'm just asking you to share. So have a good day. Good luck on your test. Make sure you make an answer column. Okay? Now, I skipped spaces. You don't have to skip spaces. Okay? Make sure you show work. Because if I have a question and I go back to your work and I can't see it, I'm not giving it to you. I want to see some work. All right, best of luck and good luck again.